It is a good morning. Okay, so some of you guys have gotten your products right. Don't forget, first of all, take your picture of wherever is thin. Look, y'all see I got my hair up? My sister makes these and she makes these, right? Super cute. Because I am showing off. I got edges. I got edges. And it's more. Can y'all see like more little hairs coming? Even on this side, which was like the worst side, but I will be making a lock out of it. Do you see it? So yeah, I'm wearing my hair up now because I'm getting some edges. Anyway, so for you guys who have gotten your bundles, okay, you got your oil and your booster, your follicle booster. Here's what you do. Again, take your picture, your own selfie, nice and close, wherever it is, so you can see what your 60-day looks like. Because I was surprised with mine. I really was. It took me by surprise that I was able to make 2 full tiny locks to start out, and they will grow to be these after some time. But remember, this takes time, guys. It takes time, but you gotta follow the plan. Everything has a plan. You can't just go work out and not have a plan. You gotta have certain muscles you gotta work first, and then certain foods you gotta eat, and all the things. No different, okay? It's a plan. The plan is you will spray your hair with your booster, okay? All wherever you need it to be. And then you're gonna put your hair growth oil. You can put your hair growth oil all over because it is fantastic, okay? The oil you only need like twice a week. Easy peasy. This will last you a very long time too, by the way. It's essential oils. It's very, 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 very good oil, and you will love this. Do not overuse your oil. Do not overuse your oil. Twice a week, pretty good. Put that all over your scalp just to get your scalp woke up, oiled, moisturized, because you don't want to drown the follicles that we're trying to grow hair out of, okay? Okay? And yeah, after you shampoo, go ahead and start it all over again and all the things. I talked about the shampooing. Shampoo your hair. Yes, at least once a week. Twice if you've got locks, or I mean, you know, every other week if you need to, but y'all shampoo. Anyway, this you do every morning, okay? Because water-based, can you see? It's water-based. As this is a thin oil, not the heavy oil we talk about, that black Jamaican castor oil and other ones. Those protein oils are too heavy, too heavy. They don't promote hair growth as well, like rosemary and lavender, you know, a little of the, all my ingredients in here, I'll tell you. Anyway, and biotin. This has biotin, as we know. And if you take biotin and then have it topically, ooh, boy, you really can kick yours up. Anyway, that was a side note. Not telling anyone take what vitamins, but biotin is one. And your iron. Okay, every day, spray the areas you need. Like I'm doing all my little thins and my hair. Yeah, so we're taking this journey together. That's how you do it every day, okay? All right, I'm so excited. You guys post, or link me, send it to me, your results, or at least your beginnings and afters, and I'll make a little collage for you. Well, assuming if you want to be posted. Probably not. Anyway, do it for your own self. 60 days, okay? So excited!